The Tesla Pi phone has finally been made official, marking a major turning point in both the smartphone and technology industries. After years of speculation and leaks, Elon Musk announced the highly anticipated device at Giga Texas, confirming that Tesla's first-ever smartphone will launch next year. According to Musk, the Pi phone is more than just another gadget, it's the start of an entirely new era of intelligent connectivity. Designed with Tesla's proprietary technologies, the Pi phone is set to become the world's first smartphone to offer free lifetime internet access through Starlink. Combining futuristic design, extreme durability, and advanced hardware, the Tesla Pi phone will feature a premium titanium frame, next-generation battery innovation, and a starting price of just $789. Despite this surprisingly low cost, Musk made it clear that the Pi phone will directly compete with, and possibly surpass, the iPhone 17 series in performance, design, and ecosystem integration. The journey toward the Tesla Pi phone began back in 2023 when rumors first emerged that Elon Musk was planning to enter the smartphone industry. At the time, Musk hinted that if Apple stopped innovating, Tesla would step up to build its own device. Most people dismissed this as another of Musk's offhand remarks, believing Tesla was focused solely on cars, rockets, and robots. But Musk has never been one to follow predictable paths. From reusable rockets and electric vehicles to humanoid robots and satellite internet, his projects have repeatedly redefined what's possible. The Pi phone is now poised to do the same, uniting Tesla's growing ecosystem into a single, intelligent device capable of controlling and connecting cars, homes, and even future AI systems. Elon Musk confirmed that the Tesla Pi phone will first launch in the United States during the second quarter of next year, with global expansion following soon after. Originally, Tesla planned to release it in 2026, but Apple's recent setbacks and what Musk called anti-competitive policies motivated Tesla to accelerate the timeline. The phone will be manufactured entirely at Giga Texas using a fully automated production system modeled after Tesla's car factories. This vertical integration allows Tesla to produce nearly all parts in-house, drastically cutting costs and maintaining quality. It's the same strategy that has allowed Tesla to dominate the EV industry, and now it's being applied to smartphones. What truly sets the Pi phone apart is its built-in Starlink connectivity, which offers free, high-speed satellite internet anywhere in the world. This means that users can stay connected even in remote or off-grid locations where traditional mobile networks fail. For billions of people living with unreliable or expensive internet, this feature could be life-changing. If delivered as promised, it will also save users around $1,400 to $1,500 per year compared to paying for a standard Starlink subscription. Musk's decision to merge Starlink's global internet network with Tesla's hardware might be one of the most disruptive moves in tech history, creating a seamless bridge between space-based communication and everyday mobile use. In terms of design, the Tesla Pi phone is just as revolutionary. It will come in 3 versions, including a foldable model as the premium option, priced above $1,000, while 2 standard models will remain below that price point. The foldable Pi phone offers both portability and versatility, compact when folded, and expansive when opened into a tablet-sized display. Musk reportedly chose this design because it solves many of today's smartphone limitations, such as small screens and limited multitasking space. The phone's adaptive interface automatically adjusts depending on how it's folded, allowing users to multitask, read, watch, or game with ease. This design philosophy echoes Tesla's engineering mindset, functional innovation rather than unnecessary complexity. Tesla's use of grade 6 titanium also places the Pi phone in a class of its own. The material, treated with a special hardening process at Giga Texas, makes the phone 3 times more durable than current flagships while keeping it lightweight and elegant. While Apple downgraded the iPhone 17 series back to aluminum, resulting in widespread scratch-gate complaints, Tesla doubled down on premium strength. The result is a device that's not just luxurious but practically indestructible, a smartphone that, like Tesla's cars, is built for longevity. The display is equally impressive. The Tesla Pi phone features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x 4K display with 3200 nits of peak brightness, surpassing both the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. With Tesla's anti-glare coating, the screen remains crystal clear even under direct sunlight. Its 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth motion for gaming, scrolling, and video playback, offering a visual experience beyond anything currently available. Tesla is also taking a bold step in smartphone photography. Reports indicate the Pi phone will come with 5 rear cameras, each packing 48-megapixel sensors and 10x optical zoom. But the real innovation lies in its AI imaging system, which automatically adjusts lighting, color, and sharpness while intelligently removing unwanted objects from photos. Video performance is rumored to reach 8K at 60 frames per second with Tesla's advanced Hyper Stabilizer 2.0 for ultra-smooth cinematic shots. The combination of AI and high-end optics could make Tesla's first phone a serious rival to Apple's industry-leading camera systems. One of the most groundbreaking elements, however, is the battery technology. Using lessons learned from its electric vehicles, Tesla developed a 6,499 mAh aluminum-ion battery capable of lasting up to 4 full days on a single charge. This battery type offers roughly twice the energy density of traditional lithium-ion cells, operates at cooler temperatures, and is far less prone to overheating or fire. It supports intelligent fast charging, reaching 80% in just 32 minutes, without the long-term degradation caused by the ultra-fast chargers used by some Android manufacturers. By prioritizing longevity and stability over sheer speed, Tesla has found a smarter balance between power and preservation. The software is equally ambitious. Tesla's new XOS operating system has been designed with both speed and security at its core. It includes ultrasonic 3D fingerprint scanning, multi-point facial recognition, and two-factor authentication for sensitive actions. Unlike most smartphones that rely on cloud storage, all personal data on the Pi phone is processed locally using Tesla's neural core and protected with AES-256 encryption, the same level of security used by banks and defense agencies. This gives users complete control and privacy without sacrificing convenience or performance. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Tesla Pi phone's pricing strategy is designed to be aggressively competitive. The 256GB version will launch at $789, while the 1TB foldable model will sell for around $1,599. Compared to Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max lineup, which can exceed $1,800 for similar storage, Tesla's pricing represents a deliberate disruption. Critics question whether Tesla can succeed in a market dominated by Apple, Samsung, and Google, but history suggests otherwise. Tesla has consistently entered impossible markets, like electric vehicles and reusable rockets, and turned them into multi-billion-dollar successes. Apple's current troubles only make the moment more opportune. The iPhone 17 and iPhone Air have been plagued by software bugs, weak audio performance, and fragile designs. The Scratchgate scandal, in particular, has tarnished Apple's reputation for quality. Many users now consider the iPhone 17 lineup one of Apple's weakest releases in years. Against that backdrop, Tesla's Pi phone arrives as both a technological breakthrough and a statement of intent. Tesla is ready to challenge Apple head-on. For Elon Musk, the Pi phone isn't just another product, it's a gateway to the Tesla ecosystem. While Apple profits primarily from hardware sales, Tesla's strategy focuses on long-term integration. Every Pi phone sold connects users deeper into the Tesla network, linking their cars, homes, Starlink satellites, and even future AI systems under one digital umbrella. The phone isn't the end goal, it's the beginning of a connected, intelligent ecosystem that grows stronger with every new device.